Hi everyone. Whenever I teach a class in Procreate, students always ask me, what brush are you using? What brush are you using? So I figured I'd do a quick video to share the different brushes I use on a regular basis when I do a picture or a project in Procreate. So my brush of choice is under Calligraphy and it's called the brush pen. And I like it because it's a very consistent pen. It gives you that thick to thin look, which is in a lot of cartoons now. And it's the brush I use almost all the time. When I'm not using the brush pen, under the same category as Calligraphy, I tend to use Monoline, which is very similar to brush pen, except for instead of the thick to thin lines, it just gives you the same thickness of that line straight through, and you set it and just draw with it. Now under the blend tool, I've recently discovered a brush called Tamar, or it might be pronounced Tamar, I'm not really sure. It's under the painting category. I found this is a really good blending tool. It's most like if you were kind of blending with your finger on a real piece of paper with maybe charcoal or a pencil. Whenever I blend, I keep the opacity set around 50% so that it doesn't over blend something. You can always go back and blend something again if you need to, but I kind of find 50% is a good setting to start with, and then kind of go over it as much as I need to get the look I'm looking for. Now for the eraser, with the eraser I tend to keep it set on the brush pen or monoline, whichever one I'm drawing with. And I usually keep it at 100%. So those are the three tools I generally use. You can find what tools work best for you. There are different brushes I use depending on the project. If I need to do something specific, like if I want to use a luminance pen for kind of a neon look, I'll do that. But generally those are the three brushes I use. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for liking, subscribing, ringing that bell, and I'll see you next time.